Hi guys, it's Lizzie and Pete from the Academy team, and today we're going to be bringing you some of our very best Black Friday deals. So let's get into it.
The Sony a6400 this Black Friday, we've got a twin lens bundle that you can't miss. Lovely, lightweight, compact mirrorless camera, 4K video, lightning quick autofocus, and 24 million pixel stills. It's a bargain.
If you've been looking for a user-friendly, compact and lightweight mirrorless camera, then look no further than the Canon EOS R100. Featuring a 24.1 megapixel APS-C size sensor, Canon's dual pixel CMOS AF up to 6.5 frames per second continuous shooting and 4K video recording, this is the perfect choice for those of you looking to step into the world of photography. So don't miss out this Black Friday.
Next up, we got a full frame mirrorless, the Nikon Z6 III. You get 6K raw video from this camera, as well as a 24 million pixel partially stacked sensor capable of 120 frames per second. It's a deal not to be missed.
If you've been wanting to take your content creation to a whole new level, then how about the Sony ZV-1 Mark II? It's 26 megapixels, 4K 60 10-bit video, and features Sony's video-specific features such as product showcase, background bokeh, and the omnidirectional 3-capsule microphone. This Black Friday, we have a creator combo kit available, which offers you the camera, a lens, a Bluetooth grip, microphone, and memory card to make sure that you can hit the ground running.
Looking for a new lens this Black Friday? Then the Tamron 18-300 travel lens might be the one for you. It's available in a range of APS-C mounts. It's lovely and lightweight. It's a very versatile lens with an RXD focusing system that's very, very quick and quiet. Grab yours while you can.
For all you stargazers and astro lovers, we've got some great savings on the Unistellar Odyssey Pro. With high precision optics from Nikon, this advanced smart telescope is incredibly user-friendly, and it is great for looking at planets such as Jupiter and Saturn, as well as those further away star systems.
You're looking for a lightweight, compact, mirrorless system that packs the punch of some of the bigger cameras? Then the Fujifilm X-T50 is the camera for you. You get a 40 million pixel sensor delivering 6.2K video, you've got an AI-based subject recognition focusing system, and you've got Fuji's world-renowned film simulation modes direct on the dial on the top. It's a steal this Black Friday.
Take to the skies with our amazing deals on drones this Black Friday, such as the DJI Avata 2, where you can immerse yourself into the world of FPV flying, or the DJI Mini 4 Pro, which is the ultralight sub-250 4K drone with true vertical shooting. Perfect for content creators or those of you on the go.
If you're a lover of the great outdoors, a bird watcher, sports enthusiast, or just want to see what the neighbors are up to, we've got some great deals on binoculars this Black Friday. We've got the Nikon ProStaff P3 series and the Nikon Monarch M7 series, both with huge savings, both waterproof, both fog-free designs. Grab yours while you can.
If you've been looking for the perfect action camera, then look no further than the GoPro Hero 13. It's durable, waterproof down to 10 meters, offers 27 megapixel photos, 5.3K 60 video, 4K 120 video, and is definitely a deal that you don't want to miss out on this Black Friday.
Built for the adventurers out there, we've got the OM Systems OM5 Mark II. This camera is splash-proof, it's dust-proof, and it's freeze-proof to -10. Not only that, it is stacked full of features like a 20.4 million pixel sensor delivering 4K video at 30p, in-camera focus stacking, focus bracketing, loads of other stuff. Seriously, if you're an adventurer, get this in your bag and take it on your next trip.
Meet the Instax Mini 12, the fun, stylish, easy to use instant camera. Printing off credit card size pictures and coming in a range of colors. This is one Black Friday deal not to be missed.
The Wonder Provoke 31-litre backpack in a variety of colors. It's a camera bundle this Black Friday, which includes the camera cube. You've got sides access, you've got rear clamshell access, you've got a roll top for expanding your storage. It's got a laptop pouch. It's an everyday backpack that can fit all your camera gear.
If you've been looking for a lightweight tripod which can take a heavy load, then look no further than the Vanguard VO3 carbon fiber tripod. With its 15 kilo max capacity and multi-angle central column, you've also got the option to turn one of the legs into a monopod and an Arca-compatible ball head. This is a great tripod and one not to be missed this Black Friday.
Did you know that we also do used items at Jessops here? You can trade in your old and upgrade to new, and this Black Friday we've got a 10% trade-in bonus on all your items.
You can also save on printing this Black Friday. We have a range of options from posters to canvases and other types of wall art all the way through to our photo gifts, so make sure you check them out.
If you want to learn more about photography, then why not join Jessops Academy? We've got our Introduction to Photography course with £30 off this Black Friday, as well as our wildlife experiences where you can save £35 if you sign up over the Black Friday weekend.
So there you have it. That was some of our very best Black Friday deals, but don't forget to head online to jessops.com where you can find loads more. That's it from us. Thank you so much, and we'll catch you next year. Bye.